What up, dude? What's going on, guys? We are back with another update to the shop, with another update to the channel, with another upgrade. We out here doing our thing. So we have an announcement, or we said it earlier on our social media this week, I believe it was. We have an announcement, and here is the video. That is right, guys. We got a new printer for the business, for the t-shirts, for the apparel, for whatever at this point, because now it gives us the option to sublimate and all of that. So it's a printer we've wanted for a long time, and we've been thinking about getting it for quite a while now. And these do cost quite a bit. So, it's one of those things where we had to make the decision, like, is it the time to take the shot? And through the business that we've been generating and whatnot, we think it is. And on top of it, to be honest, when I was looking, I didn't see as many videos or enough videos on this for me to feel like there wasn't an avenue for me to be able to also kind of take it and make it my own with YouTube. There wasn't many videos on the iColor 550, and I think it's a good opportunity to be able to put videos out and go through the unboxing with you guys. That's the plan today. And yeah, so I mean, obviously, as we go, I'll do reviews on the interface and all that stuff. I might even do a couple videos where I'm setting it up and you see me struggle through it. But this one is just a super basic unboxing. All right, bad boy. That bad boy came off like. Okay, so directly after opening the package, you see that they locked this bad boy down with quite a bit of styrofoam, so you don't have to worry about it shipping. We got ours through Heat Transfer Warehouse, I believe it was. And every time we've ordered from them, it's been speedy and great, like great quality. We haven't had to worry about anything. So I'm not sure what this is yet. I'm gonna open it up and check what's in it, because we ordered the sheets and stuff to be able to print on it and whatnot. I'm not sure what this is. It's probably like, congratulations, you actually. Right. Yeah, so let's continue on. In this white box, we have the cartridges. I believe this is the white cartridge. No, it's the Smart Cut software. Huh? So the bundle we ended up getting actually is the one that has the Pro Rip and the Smart Cut on there. We definitely wanted to get the Smart Cut because you are able to cut the image and clip it to 2 or 3 different or 4 different sheets to get the size of the shirt. It's important for us to put out the best quality that we possibly can. If that means that we have to spend a little bit more on the shirt with graphics or whatever, or fit into the size of the person, whatever they order or ask for, we want to get it as close to it as we can, to the best of our capabilities. And this actually really helps us do it, because before we were using transfer paper, and you only can use that so much. And really, we were using it with a HP Envy or whatever, like an old ass printer that I bought her when we first got together, like 15 years ago, damn near. But yeah, so I'm super excited. The Smart Cut software is pretty dope, and it already comes with the Pro Rip in there too. I believe this is the white toner cartridge. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to focus for a second, so maybe we do a little speed thing as I get this out. Here is what everybody's calling the guidesman's guide. It literally walks you from step 1 to ready to go. Yeah, they said that there's a pamphlet or whatever that comes with it, or it's already in the software, but it's 15 pages, and they summed it up for everybody in about 15 steps on this. So yeah, so this is what we're going to be using when we do set it up. I'm going to have to plug here. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. Make sure to follow us on TikTok because now we're on TikTok at WADPress. We'll make sure to like tag it or whatever down in the Shiki Jiggy or over here somewhere. It'll be tagged wherever. Yeah, so let's run this bad boy, get this bad boy out. Let's continue. So here, like I was saying, is the ProRip software. It's a dongle, I believe, that you just have to leave in the computer or whatever at all time. I use PC, so it's not a problem for me. Also, it says enjoy your free digital stock art, and some of these are fire, like no lie. Look at the sugar. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay. Oh, sorry. Bring it into the shop for you guys. I'm gonna bring it into the shop for you guys. All right, guys. So what we have here is the iColor i550, like I said before. We went with the 550 because we felt like where we're at business-wise, it's a huge upgrade. Yeah, these things cost a lot, and that's why, or kind of, we wanted to see or make sure that this business is what we're really diving into the way we wanted to, without trying to grow too fast. They have other ones that are upward of 10 grand and things like that, but we weren't sure that was what we wanted to do exactly just yet. Let me clean up. All right, guys. So there was another package that was in the box, and it was the standard like it was like a USB, and then you have the data cord also to connect to the PC. So yeah, when they package these things, they package them very well so that you don't have to worry about parts moving in the travel or getting delivered to you. So it tells you on here to go through and get all these orange tabs. I don't know, you can see all the orange through it, but it's all throughout, and even inside you have to clear those away so that the printer works properly. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open this bad boy up and whatnot. That'll be another video that I will share for you guys at another time. This one was just to show you that this is the upgrade that we made. It's been a long time coming. You guys don't understand. We've been thinking about it since about the time we started the business. We were looking to see, better ways to be able to get like photos and graphics and things on shirts rather than just using like regular heat transfer vinyl. Like we've been doing for a lot of shirts, we use the heat transfer vinyl. And like I said earlier, we were using the transfer paper. So now with this, it just, I think it just opens up a whole nother world of printing that we can get to. And yeah, we hope you guys come and stay and see us through this journey. Who knows, maybe we upgrade again from this through all the hard work and whatnot. Because remember, everything you do, you got to work hard for. You know what I mean? You got to dedicate yourself to it. And whenever you put 100% of your energy into something, it's kind of hard for you not to succeed. It's like that law of attraction. If you want it, you'll get it. You know what I mean? So with that being said, we out, man. We out.